Good morning student, myself Mrs. Neeta Balwani from St. Joseph Public School Talk, and in the previous lecture, in the previous class we have finished chapter 2, and this time or in this lecture we are going to start the exercise portion, the exercise part of chapter 2. So let's start it. So you have to do all these exercise in your books but with a pencil, with correct spellings, with good handwriting. So let's start it. Yes, so let's start exercise. So first A is multiple choice questions, tick the correct option. Okay, here are 5 question, multiple choice question, and you have to tick right on the right option. Fine. So let's start. Number 1 is which series has non-living things. अभी आपको क्या पढ़ना है? You have to read the complete series and then you have to tell the right answer. You have to tick the right answer, that what is the complete series of non-living things. So the A option is snails, water or mushrooms. So water and mushrooms are non-living. The snails, that is living, right? Now soil, trees and worms. Again worms is a living, it's come in living things. Now rocks, water or soil. So let's take the D option first. Rocks, butterfly and grass. The butterfly comes in in living things. So the right option is rocks, water and soil, because 3 are from the non-living category. So the right option will be C. So tick right on the C option. Fine, done. Okay, come to the next one. So the next is which of these lay eggs. अभी हमने पढ़ा था, some animals give birth to young ones and some animals lay eggs. So just read the options. A is human, B is hen, C is lion and D is cat. To the right option, yes, the right option will be, or the right option is B, hen, because it lay eggs, and when the eggs hatch, the young ones come out from the eggs. So now number 3 is which of these cannot move. मतलब इनमें से ऐसा कौन है जो मूव नहीं कर सकता, ठीक है, जो हिल नहीं सकता, मूव नहीं कर सकता. तो A ऑप्शन इज काउ. तो काउ, डेफिनेटली काउ कैन मूव. फर्नीचर, इंसेक्ट मतलब कीड़े मकोड़े and all that, they also can move. And plant, they cannot move but there is a different kind of movement, different kind of activity we have read in the chapter. So the answer is B, furniture. Tick right on the B option. Now number 4 is which of these will not die. इनमें से ऐसा कौन है जो कभी नहीं मरता. Okay, which never die, जो कभी नहीं मरता, right? तो the A option is books, furniture, toys or all of this. तो I think books कभी मरती नहीं, furniture कभी मरता नहीं, toys कभी मरता नहीं. हाँ, they can be destroyed by the outer force, है ना, वो बाहर का जो force होता है, we and the other outer force can destroy it but it cannot die itself. ठीक है, तो the option will be, the right option will be D option, all of these. Okay, come to the next one, number 5. The number 5 is which of these cannot reproduce. इसमें से ऐसा कौन है या कौन सा कैटेगरी है which cannot reproduce, जो reproduction, जिनमें reproduction का process नहीं होता. तो plant, yes, it can reproduce. seed से plant से tree. humans, definitely जो mothers होती है, they can reproduce babies. peacock भी अपने young ones देते हैं, ठीक है. तो the right option is B, kite. To tick the correct on B option. So we have finished multiple choice questions. So it's time to take B activity, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's do it. And first is the things which do not have life are called. मतलब ऐसी चीज़ें आपको बतानी है which do not have life, जिनमें life नहीं होती, जो active नहीं होती है, तो that category is called non-living things. I'm writing, although it is written already, but still I'm writing for you student. That is non-living things. Okay, so the answer is non-living things or thing, or you can write as things. ठीक है, it's not working properly. Anyways, come to the next, number 3. Number 3 is all living things waste materials. तो सारे जो living things होती है वो क्या करती है, क्या waste material जो निकालती है, तो it's the word is used excrete. Okay, so the spelling is EXCRET, excrete waste material, spring out waste material, बाहर निकालना. Okay, so the answer is, again I am telling, EXCE, it's CE or CRETE, excrete. Okay, come to the next one, that is animals and human beings depend on for food. मतलब we human beings and animals, we both are depend on for food. हम किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं for food? तो we depend on plants. तो the answer is PLANTS, plants. Okay, the next is animals grow from blank to blank. मतलब animals जो है वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक ग्रो होते हैं, तो animals grow from babies to adults. Okay, छोटे बच्चे babies and then adult means the younger one, है ना, जो बड़े हो जाते हैं, adult, mature. तो ADULTS adults and BABIES babies. Okay, so we have finished fill in the blanks also. Now we have to do C exercise, and that is T for true and F for false. So again remember, capital T for true statements and capital F for false statements. Okay, so let's start it. I know that you all know the answers, but you know we have to do. So number 1 is non-living things are live and active. Non-living things are live and active? No, living things are live and active, and non-living things, they don't have life and they don't are active. So this is false, capital F. Number 2 is living things cannot move from one place to another. The living things जो है, it cannot move from one place to another. No, definitely it can move. ठीक है, non-living things cannot move from one place to another. So the right of, again the answer will be false. So you have to fill false. Now come to number 3. Number 3 is insects breathe through stomata. जो insects होते हैं वो stomata के through जो होते हैं वो breathe करते हैं. तो no, the answer will be false. We read in the chapter, हम पढ़ चुके हैं सबके बारे में in the chapter. ठीक है. Now the next is plants do not grow in the absence of light. कि plants जो होते हैं they do not grow in the absence of light. तो बिल्कुल for growing of plants they need light, they need water. Okay, they need carbon dioxide. So this is true. Now last is a touch me not plant. It is the name of a plant. एक plant का नाम है and the name is touch me not. Is sensitive to smell. So no, it is not sensitive to smell. Actually it is sensitive to touch. So again this is F or false. I am repeating you for the students. I think you will feel a little bit problem. So I speak for you or I repeat for you. So first is false, second is false, third is also false, fourth is true, and the last is false. Okay. Come to the D option, come to the D exercise, that is match the columns. Again what you can do, you can match, you can write the options here. Okay, so let's do it. First is sunflower. So sunflower is always connected or it always related to sunlight. So the answer is C. So A ko you have to match with the C option or you can write C like this. Okay. Number 2 is process of producing their own kind. अपनी ही तरह की काइंड जो है प्रोड्यूस करना इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्शन. सो नंबर 2 विल बी मैच फ्रॉम ई. ओके, नंबर 3 इज पिकॉक. तो पिकॉक is a living thing, right? All the animals and all the birds come in living things. So you have to match 3 with A. Next is seed. To seed is seedling. Okay, and the last is rocks. So rocks is a natural thing. Rocks क्या है? Rocks is provided, rocks is gifted by the nature. So it's done, it's completed. Now the E is answer in one word, space, and you have to fill all the answers in the space provided in the book. So number 1 is this. You also have to do in the book, no need to do in the notebook. In notebook you have to do all these questions. ये वाले questions आपको करने हैं जो F वाले एक्सरसाइज है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These 6 you have to do in notebook, but A to E you will do or you have to do in your books. So let's take E. Number 1 is soil, mitti, sun and water are example of it. मतलब sun, soil and water किसके example होते हैं? तो it is the example of natural things. तो आपको क्या लिखना है? आपको लिखना है natural things. NATURAL, natural, और THINGS, natural things. Okay, fine. Okay, start. Come to the next. Plants breathe through it. Plants किसके through breathe करते हैं? तो is stomata. I'm writing the spelling. It's STOMATA. Stomata. Okay, stomata. Next, number 3. It hibernates in winter. We have read about the animal which hibernate in winter. जो winter में hibernate मतलब होता है सुस्ताना and all, ठीक है. और क्यों करता है वो? To protect himself or to protect itself from cold. तो the animal name was bear. BEARS, bears. Okay. Next, number 4 is it has a sharp sense of smell. Yes, we human beings also have sharp sense of smell. But here we have to write animal name and that is dog. It has a very sharp sense of smell. Okay, and the last is people reproduce from it. So the process is called reproduction. क्या process होता है? Reproduction. ठीक है, reproduction. Okay, so we have done all the answers in one word. Now we will do, or I will send you the answer key of this chapter in your WhatsApp group, and then first you try to understand. I hope you will understand because we have read the chapter, but then after understanding the question answers you have to do in your notebook, because first and second chapter both are coming in your exams. So be prepared for exam, students. It's time to focus on your studies. Till then, be happy, be safe. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.